Once upon a time on Fox Cable TV, there was a strange little fella for all to see. His name was Greg Gutfeld, and he hosted Red Eye, appeared on The Factor and Monologue the Five. He kept a herd of houseboys and wrote some books, had a strange-looking sidekick he called Bill Schultz, got the facts and made sure his words were true, 'cause he had a straight shooter named Big Andrew. Drove the liberals all crazy with biting wit, caused old Bob Beckel to throw a fit, teased Dana, Andrea, and Kimberly, talk smack about Jasper, what a sight to see. Messed with Eric and McGurk and O'Reilly too. Made the guests all laugh until they turned blue. So if you're looking for an original on cable TV, keep your eyes on Greg Gutfeld, he's a sight to see.